Hey Tara, this is Lindo.
Shayo.
Keso.
Pilsy.
Together we are
Teddy.
Okay? We're Teddy Bears. Remember we more local TV, baba. Oh yeah. Shit.
Welcome back to it, and you know how we do it, AGS, and tonight we have the Teddy Bears in the building. Welcome to Maloko TV.
Yay!
Oh, first of all, I have to ask, why the Teddy Bears? Why the name?
He's gonna answer that question. It's his question.
Okay.
In fact, we were looking for a simple name.
Yeah.
Lele Enzo catchy to everyone.
Okay, nice. Okay, so now you guys are a Kwaito Durban House dance crew. How did you guys come together? When did you start?
We started
From the bottom now, yeah.
Oh! Yeah, but tell me about the bottom. How did you build up? Where did it start?
We started in 2005 as dancers in Newville, Johannesburg.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where we met and like just decided like to form a Kwaito group now.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
But now you guys are from Durban, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
But you came together in Joburg.
yes.
How does that make sense? Why not start
In fact, this is
together.
Castle.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I came in 2001.
2003.
Yeah.
Pilsy in 2005. So
Okay.
basically the group we met in 2005.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you guys are working very closely with DJ Cleo.
We're working under his
You're
recording
working under
label.
his recording label,
Yes.
yes. How did that association start?
Okay, basically, Cleo has been a person that we've always wanted to work with, like from day one
Why?
when we started the group. Because he's a good producer, man.
Okay.
Like, he's versatile.
Yeah.
He can produce hip hop, deep house, kwaito.
Yeah.
So I'm sure, like, if it's Cleo is everyone's dream to work with.
Yeah.
And so on. So
Okay. So what's your plan now to stay relevant for the coming years?
I think it's just being ourselves.
Mm.
Do what you do best.
Okay.
Must try to be consistent as DJ Cleo.
Oh,
He's been in
nice.
the game for 12 years.
Yes.
I think since we be working with him, we learn a lot from him. So we're gonna follow his steps as well.
Okay. So what can we expect this year from you guys?
This year, nothing from Teddy Bears. Just pushing our new single right now, which is called Sibasha. And then DJ Cleo is releasing this year, so we're gonna do a couple of features there.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Can I just and that's it for this episode. And remember, we do love to keep in touch with you. So follow us on Twitter, hit us up on Facebook, and do click onto our website. And also, one more thing, subscribe.